Yeah.
I think it wasn't an X6M.
It was the X6M, like smoked that shit.
Oh, that looks so good. This Aventador is coming along just fine. Alright, so you guys definitely know this Tesla. We did the whole body kit on this car. So yeah, he had a problem with the tire. I guess he drove on it even after it was flat to get to this point. So we're gonna go ahead and check the rim out, make sure it's okay, make sure we don't have a cracked wheel or a problem with it. We're gonna put a brand new tire on there and get this car back on the road.
Alright guys, another Urus. I say that a lot. We do a lot of Uruses. Here's something cool. It's not a wide body. It's a beautiful yellow color Urus. I'm actually a big fan of that on this car. Very, very hard color. Featuring RDB wheels, 24-inch. As you guys know, best wheel on the market. Look how beautiful that looks on every car. And on the Urus, the best wheel for sure. So, satin black center, gloss black lip, as usual. Factory capstan in the middle, so it looks great. Obviously, they're 24s, so this is the big setup for a Urus. And it's also lowered. So we lowered the vehicle. It stands up perfectly. Even though it's a regular stock body, not wide body, it is stanced up very, very nicely. This car also had a bunch of paint work. I had some black accents here and there. If you guys don't know, Uruses come with a lot of different specs. They put matte black on the bottom or gloss black. They do color matching, whatever. This one had a bunch of black. You wanted to paint it body color. We did that. We added a Vorsteiner rear carbon diffuser and a Vorsteiner front lower carbon fiber lid. Custom steering wheel also in there. It also has downpipes and it's tuned, okay? So it's actually a pretty heavy mod list. As you guys probably hear, downpipes are pretty loud. I had downpipes, I took them off because it was too loud for me. The rear section is stock, but it only has cat bypass deletes, off-road use only, and it's a tune. So fast and loud, a lot of pops and stuff. Some people like that, some people don't. But yeah, it makes a lot of noise. It's very fast too, and really dope. Yellow and black, so hope you guys like it.
What are you doing?
Hold on.
There's a customer in the front. I can't go like this.
Let me fix it.
There's a customer in the front. I can't go to the front like this.
We can go.
Why would you do this? Why would you do this? Why?
What size are you? They're 40. They're $40 each.
It was comfortable already. You know, when you wash it a lot of times, it becomes comfortable.
Let me put it over your head. It's a nice style. Look at the back.
For no
We used to
reason.
change his shirts because there's stains on them all over the place.
These are
We have all these shirts.
These are comfortable. He's eating beef jerky. Hello.
Hello. This shirt. That's why he's at home bed. But yeah.
Alright guys, a lot to talk about with this beautiful Aventador Roadster. This started life with one of our customers all the way from New Jersey. He purchased this beautiful Aventador Roadster. If you guys have heard of him on Instagram, Cash Costas is his name. He's been in the exotic car game for a while out on the East Coast. He had a beautiful Ferrari that was red chrome with red chrome wheels. Very, very crazy, loud, exotic car. He wanted to do the same thing with his new Lamborghini. However, he didn't want to go as wild. He wanted to do like a touch of West Coast, touch of East Coast kind of vibes. If you guys know the car industry scene, East Coast cars look a lot different than the West Coast cars modification wise. I'm not going to get into what looks like what, but there's a big difference between East Coast mods and West Coast mods. So this, I think, is the perfect combination of both worlds. There's a 73 number on there. As you guys know, with the SVJ, there was the 63 edition. This customer likes the number 73, so we went ahead and threw on those 73 decals on there, which is with black and actually mirror chrome border. So a little touch there on the doors as well. Has this custom name logo on the back quarter panels, GK, also in the same theme. But yeah, this car has a lot of carbon fiber on it. 1016 Industries, full carbon fiber everywhere. Has the carbon top, which is rare. Has the carbon mirrors, lots of carbon fiber. It's also this beautiful rare Lamborghini color. It's a pearl, very, very heavy pearl yellow color. Looks amazing. It almost looks gold in the sunlight, and the sun is on top of us, so it looks really, really cool right now. We pan over to the crazy custom wheels. These are sort of that retro style circle wheel we had made in full polished, just like the 720 you saw. However, we wanted to do a little bit more extra things to it, so we added pinstriping on the lip, yellow, and then on top of it black. So literally two pinstripes, one bigger, one smaller, to give it a really, really cool effect I haven't seen done before. But yeah, polished wheels with a yellow and black pinstripe, lowered on Novitec springs, F1 exhaust system and tune, so it's super loud, powerful as well. It's been lowered really well. We wrapped some accents in matte black, and then we can move on to the interior, which is not fully done. We'll show you when that's fully done. You saw a glimpse of it. It has a custom sub. It has lights all around the car, underneath the car, inside the car. We're gonna film this car again at nighttime to show you all those lights. And then it has a custom steering wheel. It's got a lot going on. For sure I'm missing a bunch of stuff, but yeah, a lot. Full clear bra as well. It's just endless mods on this car, honestly. And this is the result. Honestly, it looks incredible in my opinion. Normally with yellow, we do black wheels. We don't do pinstriping, all that stuff. Stickers, we're not used to doing stickers all over the place. But to give it that East Coast flair, it's got all these other things going on now. I actually am a big fan of polished wheels, as you guys already could start telling. The polished wheels are a true showcase feature of this car. There's also SV style vents. I forgot about that. We got carbon fiber SV style vents for the back, installed those. So heavy mods on this car. There's a few things I'm missing too, but overall ticket on modifying this car about $100,000. So customer bought it, spent 100 grand and did all of this work to it. And truly a unique Aventador. He's gonna take it out there, and all his buddies have other exotic cars. He's gonna roll with them, and it's gonna be a nice fleet of cars when this is over there. So we're gonna basically pack it up. We're gonna send it all the way to New Jersey. Customer's gonna love it. Yeah, check him out, Cash Coasting. Drunk at Legoland?
Yeah, this is crazy.
They sell alcohol in Legoland?
Huh?
Do they sell alcohol at Legoland?
Oh, yeah. Oh, you have no idea what I did. You have no idea what I did. Okay, so I came to the park. I was very upset because I found everything besides alcohol. So I was very angry. I went to the house and I brought 2 bottles of my own from the house. And I took it to the room.
This guy smuggled alcohol to Legoland.
Yeah, and then the cars have it though, but it's like you have to wait a long line. But I did bring my Armenian vodka. I had to.
Are you drunk? He has gel in his hair.
Oh, yeah.
Is that hairspray or gel, Moses?
It's gel.
I think it's both.
It's sort of like a hair Vaseline.
What shoes are you wearing?
Oh.
He's wearing J's.
Are you guys busy?
It looks like he just got out of jail.
He wants everybody to spot him there.
That's really, really cool. Look, a lot of stuff to do.